So I've had some people interested in some of the projects that I'm doing, especially around Starlink. So I do have a 12 volt up converter, or whatever you want to call it, for the Starlink that connects to a 12 volt battery, so you don't have to use your AC cord. If you're looking for something like you want to go off grid, you want to connect this to your trailer battery, your RV battery, this is how you're going to be able to do it. I have an off grid setup right here on the property in my trailer. That way I can run the Starlink on solar and battery. So this is what you're gonna want. It's a DC to DC converter. I do have multiple of them. I'm installing them in a couple different trailers. And this one in particular is for the standard Gen 3 model. And the only thing that you have to do is wire it straight to a battery. Now add a fuse. I'm using a fuse block. And then from there, it's going to power directly to your Starlink, and you're not going to need your AC power for it anymore. So to start off my basic system, we have a lithium battery. I did share this one recently. This is a pretty decent battery. It's 100 amp hours. I do need to get one more just to add a little bit more amperage here. I do have a quick battery disconnect, 60 amp here. So if I want to disconnect the whole system, I can do that. And then I do have everything running to a main fuse. And then I have hooked up to a fuse block, which the fuse block is with a McTuning RGB switch panel, which is really nice. They sent this to me several months ago, and I ended up using it out here instead of my car. And then from here, I have a couple sets of 12 volt lights, and I have the Starlink converter also connected to here, so it is fused off. Then I got it mounted here, and then our power cord runs up to the shelf. And then we can easily power our Starlink. And now I can easily have my Starlink off grid where I'm not having to worry about powering it up, plugging it in anywhere, and you can easily boondock and just run it off your 12 volt batteries. Anyway, this is my quick little system I'm working on. I do have some stuff that I'm still adding to it. I'm going to be adding some solar panels and some other gizmos and stuff eventually. Hopefully this answers some questions for people that are looking to do something similar. You're looking to get a converter where you can connect this to your RV or just an off-grid setup, something like this. And for anybody that's interested in any of this, I'll put links down below for all of it. But anybody who's thinking about also trying out Starlink, I'll put my referral link down below if you are interested in getting some more details about that. It has been a lifesaver for me, having internet everywhere I go, and being able to have it off grid makes a world of difference. The DC converter will use a little less power than the AC as well if you're trying to power this from power stations. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.